Elon Musk just revealed Tesla new phone. Hi everyone. Here we come with a brand new video in which we're going to discuss Elon Musk just revealed Tesla new phone. Before the start of the video, kindly subscribe to our channel for new and interesting updates. The notion of a Tesla phone, rumored to be called the Model Pi by P, has been circulating online. But how likely is the launch of a smartphone? Although we have no proof of its existence, it got us wondering about what a smartphone from the most valuable automaker in the world may look like. The Tesla company promises to launch the Tesla Pi 5G phone 2022 as soon as possible on the global mobile market. Mocha Brown, black, polished blue, and pink gold are the four new hues available for the smartphone. If you're looking to purchase a high-end Tesla smartphone from the neighborhood mobile market, check out the Tesla phone 2022 release date, price, specifications, and features first. The only component of the Tesla phone's hardware specifications that we are aware of is its CPU. Unfortunately, some sources have provided complicating information. Rumors suggest that Tesla is developing a processor internally that will only be used in the Pi phone with its 2022 flagship products, casting doubt on the Tesla Pi 5G 2022 chipset. Screen size: the Tesla Pi 5G's screen size in 2022. The Tesla Pi phone 2022, a new smartphone, is a remarkable marriage of form and function. The device is anticipated to go on sale in the USA on December 21, 2022, with prices starting at $800 to $1,200. The color options for this attractive, lightweight, thin phone will be numerous. The Tesla Pi 2022 smartphone has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and runs the Android 12 operating system. The upcoming Tesla Pi smartphone is expected to run the Android V12 operating system. There may also be a 4700 mAh battery, which enables you to use the smartphone for extended periods while engaging in activities like playing games, listening to music, watching movies, and other things without worrying about the battery running out. USA 2022 Tesla Model Pi 5G. Comparing different brands should be your first step when looking for an unlocked phone for your career in the US. The most popular choices in Tesla Pi unlocked 5G phones USA are often the Tesla Pi phone and the Samsung Galaxy S9. Motorola phones and Google Pixels are also excellent possibilities, although a lot of models are designed to function with any carrier. You will either need to register them or bring a Wave modem. This quick tutorial on the Tesla Pi 5G phone USA 2022 is provided. In the USA, the Tesla Pi phone will debut in 2022. The cost of the phone will be high. Due to the phone's several capabilities that other phones lack, the Tesla Pi phone price in the USA will be worthwhile. They have, however, stated that they will begin accepting pre-orders in the USA in 2022. According to rumors, the Tesla Pi phone will cost between $800 and $1,200 in the USA. It will become the priciest smartphone available. Tesla Pi phone USA official store. The best location to get a Tesla Model Pi is from the company's official store. Tesla has a range of payment alternatives, allowing you to pick the one that works best for you. Tesla also provides free shipping on all purchases over $100, allowing you to receive your new phone at your front door. Tesla iPhone specs for 2022. There are some extremely interesting features in the Tesla Pi 5G 2022 specs. It boasts 3 back cameras, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and a 6.7-inch display. It has 16 GB of RAM and the most recent Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU. The phone weighs 208 grams and is constructed of metal and glass. It's a 6.7-inch phone with a 2778 by 1284 resolution. Anyone who wants to multitask, including photographers and gamers, should get this phone. Regarding the smartphone you asked about, we have some specs and features. With the help of the Starlink feature, you can download files very quickly. Tesla mobile fans have informed us that it will be capable of 150 Mbps to 200 Mbps download speeds. The mobile market will probably be destroyed when this new device is released. The fact that the technology will be able to achieve whatever people imagine it can do is another incredible concern. I mean, if you keep it in mind, I will enter YouTube while utilizing the device. Then this device will start doing it right away. You don't need to touch any form of the handset in the situation. The smartphone will operate on its own. Release of the new Tesla Pi phone in 2022. In 2022, the company will release a new smartphone. The new Tesla phone release date 2022 is set for December 21, 2022 in the USA, as expected by the Tesla phone company. 5G Tesla phone. People are asking when the Tesla phone Pi will be released on the Google as soon as they learn that the Tesla Mobile Pi 5G is about to hit the market. The end of December 2022 will see the release of the Tesla phone Model Pi 2022. 2022 Tesla phone star reference. The Tesla Model Pi includes 4 cameras, solar charging, a Starlink satellite connection, a skin that may change color in future versions. Additionally, this smartphone incorporates a solar panel. If you choose, you can use sunshine to charge your phone in just 30 minutes. Additionally, you can discover a lot of facts about Mars with this equipment. Features of the new Tesla phone Pi 2022. Specific details of the device, including its CPU, screen size, RAM, and battery capacity, have not been disclosed by the new Tesla phone company. But we should keep in mind that the Tesla Model Pi SpaceX can download Starlink internet at a maximum speed of 210 Mbps. On this Tesla phone Pi 5G device, it will also be possible to mine Marscoin cryptocurrency straight from a smartphone. Its release date is heavily guarded, as is its pricey policy. I take the smartphone box apart and reveal a Starlink antenna. Anywhere will require a smartphone with a fast connection, since a terrestrial connection is no longer necessary. Technology journals have obtained some photographs of the device, which is believed to be made by a company other than the creator of electric vehicles, and some technical information on what it might be able to perform. The device's inclusion of Neuro Ring technology for the smartphone is the most astounding new feature. Their initial neurocomputer interfaces, or chips, that Elon Musk's business aims to implant into the human brain by the end of the 2022 to treat illnesses and increase mental capacity. 2022 New Tesla Pi 5G Musk Elon. Elon Musk is probably responsible for all of these advancements. However, using smartphone capabilities on a device is exceedingly challenging. Therefore, it's unlikely that the Tesla Model Pi will be made available in this manner. Furthermore, one can only speculate as to how much a smartphone with such features will ultimately cost. But according to our hypothesis, the device will be very expensive. Unsurprisingly, the new phone from the Texas-based company is anticipated to work with the company's electric vehicles and will provide users access to several features including temperature control. The Pi phone will also have access to Starlink through built-in capability, enabling users to browse the web without relying on Earth-based telecommunication networks. Starlink offers high-speed, low-latency broadband internet in numerous areas thanks to Musk's other venture, SpaceX. It allows for video chats, online gaming, and streaming using low-orbit satellite. Neuralink, a technology that enables people to control gadgets with their thoughts using chips that would be implanted in human brains, may also be compatible with the Tesla's new phone. relationship to Mars. According to numerous rumors, the new phone might be able to connect via Starlink while on the Mars. The billionaire said that it would take between 40 and 100 years to establish a million-person civilization on Mars during a conference in September 2016. Finally, we would like to thank you for visiting our page and for watching our reviews and visitor comments regarding the Elon Musk Tesla Pi 5G smartphone. Do you like this video? Be sure to submit your feedback in our comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.